Attention citizens, nuclear strike imminent.
Sonic!
What is it, Amy?
If I said I love you, would you say it back?
Yes!
I love you.
It back! I am the glob glob gab gala, the swavel.
If you wanna drink a juice, then you're gonna need a cup. If you don't have a cup, then you need to buy a cup. If you wanna buy a cup, then you need at least $1. If you don't have $1, then you need to find a job. If you can't find a job, then you need to go to school. If you can't afford school, then you need to find a job. If you can't find a job, then you need to go to school. If you can't afford school, then you need to find a job. If you can't find a job, then you need to go to school. If you're stuck in a loop, then you need to get a loan. If you wanna get a loan, then you need good credit, or I guess just drink juice from the carton.
Welcome to China Airline. Thank you for choosing the airline.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
If you wonder why the plane made from plastic, what the you think this is? We're not in America. This is good quality, made in China. I'll be flying for 12 days. I learned yesterday from YouTube tutorial. Now I can fly a plane. If you're wondering where your pet gone, if you have a dog or cat, thank you very much for my meal. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you something about this plane. This plane is made for me and my father. This is homemade. I made it at home. Ladies and gentlemen, for the passenger who crying, why are you crying? You're looking for your pet dog, pet cat, pet rat. Don't be fine. It's on the menu.
There once was a man that was sleepy, so the man brewed himself a pot of coffee. But the coffee did not awaken him, so he drank more and more. Soon then anxiety comes, buzzing, jittering vibrations. Now cause of caffeination, he's just anxious and tired.
Yeah. I got black, I got white, what you want?
This is my family. Daddy is always drinking cup of joe. Big sister is not nice. Mommy is from space. Sometimes Daddy says, feed mommy, and we give mommy gas. Daddy gets the gas from the car store with his mouth. I make sure no police guys. Mommy is growing. Daddy say we have to move underground so nobody can see mommy. But he say all my toys will still work underground. Except no more Xbox because Joe Biden can see the internet. That's okay. Yesterday, mommy say her first word. Diesel. We went to the car store right away. I asked Daddy, what was my first word? He said, it was mommy. I love my...
Uma noite convocou, talvez cê tá com popo é
Vapo, vapo no seco, é vapo, vapo do vapo.
Vapo, vapo no seco, é vapo, vapo do vapo. 3, 2, 1.
So what's happening?
What a dangerous thing that I put me through. If you can cross your heart and hope to die, then I can learn to live and love the lie that falling in love with you makes me. That's alright, that's okay. In the end, it's better for me. That's the moral of the story, babe.
Oops, I farted again. It popped on my bum. Smells like fried chicken. It's stinky, stinky.
Bruh. Huh? Huh?